question. Has your character really existed? Yes. No. Is your character from YouTube? Yes. Does your character run a gaming channel? Yes. Is your character known for Minecraft gaming? No. No. Is your character from Lucky Star? No. Did your character dye their hair? No. Does your character love Smurfies? Probably. Does your character play video games? No. Has your character wrestled the bear? What? No. Is your character from Switch TV? No. Does your character cuss a lot? What? What? Why would he even freaking curse? What? No. Has your character appeared in the spy movies? No. Is your character black? No. Is your character related to Off-Mouth? No, I don't know. Does your character like a red? Oh god. Does your character like playing Roblox? No. Does your character live with any of their parents? I don't know. Let me check. I'm sorry. It's kind of. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna say it's. Wait, what? No. 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 Don't say the shopkeep stole their channel. No. Wait. Oh god. I'm just gonna say no. Does your character wear a hat all the time? No. Is your character Ace? What's Ace? Let's say is your character American? Yes. Is your character married? No. Is your character originally from a video game? Yes. Is your character a part of FaZe? No. Does your character show their face a lot? No. No. Why would it be no. No. I'll give you one more chance. Is your character part of SpongeBob? Wait. I'm gonna restart this game. Cause characters, objects, animals. I'm just no. Wait, no. Does your character play GTA 5? No. Does your character play Minecraft? No. Does your character play Fortnite? No. Does your character... Yes. Does your character wear any golden armor? Well, he does wear some golden items. I'm gonna say probably. Does you? Yes. What? What's? What the? What? What the? How did they? What? No, this is impossible. This is impossible. This is impossible. How did they get this? How did he know it was the Shop King? What? What? Copyright. What? Oh no. Well, I don't know. How did they do this? You're right. Great guess somewhere. This time, let's do me. Well, in myself, let's see if they guess. Is your character real? Of course I am. Because your character personally... Yeah, how do I not know myself? Is your character from your... No. Is your character a girl? Yes. Is your character older than 17? No. Why would I have a crush on myself? Like, seriously. Do you and your character live in the same... I'm myself, so I live in the same... Okay, yes. Is your character's first name the same as yours? Yes. Has your character played a major role in history? No. Has your character born in New Jersey? No. Is your character from Oakland? No. Does your character have No. Does it? No. Is your character from Arizona? No. Does your Why would I live outside? Is your character over... Why would I be over 100 years old? You're right. Ha. Why? Let's play a different game. What about some... Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit of music. And you, of course, know what I'm gonna put. Also, me and Shadow kinda got in a fight because... I trusted her with my user. Then when I came back in the morning, my furry cuffs, my spiked wrist, my, white furry, some of my items were missing. I don't know if it was her and she's lying to me. I don't know why she would do this. I kind of cried this morning because it's hard. Okay, let's go. Well, let me put this a little low so you can hear me. Let me close this. Following the stars, it's Friday. I'm burning like a fire on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. Waiting for love, wait for love, we're going by. Did they delete cool math? Okay, there it is. Oops, sorry. Let's probably play some Run. We are one of a kind, irreplaceable. How did I get so blind and so cynical? And we love in this life, there's no toppable, and we can't be defeated. Monday left me broken. Tuesday I was through with hoping. Wednesday my empty arms were open. Thursday waiting for love, waiting for love. Thank the stars it's Friday, burning like a fire gone wild on Saturday. Guess I won't be coming to church on Sunday. I'll be waiting for love, waiting for love to come around. Oops. Oh, what's happening? Fine, okay, there. I gotta go in 2 minutes. Let me pause this. Never mind. Under the trees, the grass goes so. I gotta go, guys. Bye. Bye. See you next time on Wolfie Plays AJ. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.